What's up, everybody? Today I'm on the set for my 24-hour hammock survival challenge video. If you go to my channel right now, it's called Austin. You'll see it'll be the first new video on there. And so anyway, let me show you what we did. So last night I slept out in this new hammock I just got, first time sleeping in it. So it was pretty neat. It got down to like 50 degrees last night, so it got pretty chilly. I also ate some breakfast. You got to watch the video, find out what I ate, how I cooked it. And then I have this awesome fire just out here in the middle of the woods. So yeah, it was an awesome video. Hope you guys go watch it if you see this video. So yeah, if you do watch it, I'll see you soon on that video. Bye.